Hey guys, today I want to explain how to check alternate power output by using multimeter. So there's a problem from the alternator, so that's why I just want to explain few words. Okay, first of all you have to check fuse and relays by the help of multimeter or normal, and need to check battery power is enough to start, and then lastly alternator. Yeah, I just got the Gen Estilo. Yeah, have you seen that alternate is moving from there? I didn't get the output of alternator, so it's actually we should have to get 12 voltage, and I am just getting that 8 voltage or 7 voltage, and sometimes I just got 14 voltage and sometimes got 10 voltages. So that's why I just need to take it off the negative terminal or positive terminal. Okay, then I, I can clarify with the alternator is died. Okay, if the vehicle gets stopped while removing the negative terminal, then the alternate output is not coming. So it's a easy trick, you just see that. Yeah, that's it, vehicle gets shut down due to no output from the alternator. Yeah, and let's see the voltage of battery. It's 10.10. It's fully not enough to start a vehicle. So while starting, yes, it's just cranking. It's also not cranking, it means that it fully dead, so that's why it was not starting. So that's it, man, alternates dead.